Sa akin, I think hindi pwede kasi I grew up like around the military family. Not exactly a military family, kaya lang my mother used to work when she was still alive. He was working in PMA as a non-commissioned officer.
Non-commissioned officer. Okay.
Civilian employee. Itindihan ko yung mga na yan, yung mga laws that yung mga dito, code of conduct of being a soldier should be paramount to protect the sovereignty and the Constitution.
Right.
So, yung mga lumalabas ngayon na yung Commonwealth Act na binanggit mo kanina, and I've seen a lot of posts na under Article 63 na talagang lumabag ka sa batas. And then at the most is that his rank is a colonel.
Right.
Gladly, he is not handling a regiment or infantry or a brigade. So what more if that indoctrinations niya sa mga training, di ba? He was into training. Sa training officer, tapos indoctrinate mo yung mga sundalo natin na gano'n. Hindi pa pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng mga gano'n na partisan thinking sa mga sundalo kasi they have one job to protect the sovereignty and the Constitution and civilian authorities supreme. Ang take ko dyan is kung papatawarin niya dahil nga may nababasa akong mga post na he is from batch 92, parang kabatch ko na rin yan, and a lot of my batches that had graduated in PMA are all now brigadier generals. Ang ano dyan, parang nagsasour griping ka. Pero there are some mechanisms kung bakit hindi siya na-promote. But that's beside the story. Hindi pwede na lahat ng mga gripings mo sa gobyerno, idadaan mo dyan sa ipapublicize mo. Pwede mo naman kausapin yung immediate supervisor mo sa army na bakit ganon. There must something how is in him or the command that he doesn't deserve to become a star rank. So, kung sa palagay mo ba, sabi ng presidente, hindi, lang, kasi alam ko si PBBM is compassionate siya. Baka sabihin niya, wag na, bigay mo na lang yung rango niya. If that would be the case. Pero hindi pwede. Kasi yung mga pronouncements na gano'n, is nakasulat sa batas eh. And then, one thing in particular, if you have transgressed the law, kailangan maimbestigahan and then kailangan panagutan niya if that would be true na talaga siya yung nag-post. Kasi si Presidente, hindi naman siya ganun-ganun lang para appease something. Natanda niyo yung nangyari kay General Torre between the rift with him and the NAPOLCOM thing. Hindi niya hindi niya kinondon. What more sa mga gantong bagay na yung si Colonel Manggao publicly announced that he will no longer support the president in the chain of command. That's very precise in the law that going against the chain of command or not something to say similar like that. It's that it is punishable. It does not sit well na patawarin ni Presidente yan. I know the President, San Lucano, and I am Lucano.